Mixtures. Mixture is a material obtained by mechanically mixing two or more substances, elements or compounds in any proportion. Types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. A mixture in which the different constituents are mixed uniformly and has the uniform composition throughout is called homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures. A mixture in which the different constituents are not mixed uniformly and do not have a uniform composition throughout is called heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures can be further divided into true solution suspension and colloidal solution. True solution. When the size of solute particles is so small that it mixes evenly with the solvent particle and is perceived as single component, such a solution is called true solution.
Preparation of a mixture and compound of iron and sulfur. Mixture. When grinded powder of iron and sulfur is taken in a watch glass, we call it a mixture. Compound. When a mixture of iron and sulfur is heated, a black shiny compound, iron, II, sulfide, that is FeS, is formed. When a magnet is brought near this mixture, the iron fillings clings to the magnet and sulfur remains in the watch glass. When the magnet is brought near it, the iron of the iron, that is II, sulfide, remains unaffected. When hydrochloric acid is added, the mixture retains its individual properties, and iron of the mixture reacts to form H2 gas, which burns with a blue flame. When hydrochloric acid is added to the compound, it reacts as iron sulfide and liberate hydrogen sulfide gas with rotten egg smell. When carbon disulfide is added, sulfur dissolves, leaving behind iron. When carbon disulfide is added to the compound, no visual change is observed, indicating that compound is insoluble. Types of mixtures. Mixtures may exist as solids, liquids, or gases, depending upon the physical states of its components. Also, mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Therefore, the mixtures may be classified as homogeneous solid. A solid mixture can be an alloy like brass, bronze, or solder, etc. Heterogeneous solid. Solid mixture can be a mixture of a common salt and sand. An example of homogeneous solid liquid mixture is sugar in water. An example of heterogeneous solid liquid mixture is sand in water. An example of homogeneous liquid-liquid mixture is alcohol in water. An example of heterogeneous liquid-liquid mixture is carbon tetrachloride and water. An example of homogeneous liquid gas mixture is carbon dioxide dissolved in water. An example of heterogeneous liquid-gas mixture is sulfur trioxide dissolved in water. An example of heterogeneous gas-gas mixture is air.